Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. Today we are learning one very important CSS property, object fit. Now many beginners do one common mistake, they set width and height on images and suddenly the image looks strange. Website design looks bad. So today I will show you how professionals fix this in real projects. So don't just watch, code along with me. First, create HTML basic structure. I have already created. Then I add the image. I have already add image link. Right. Now let's give it fixed width and height. I'm styling this image. Add here style tag. Inside the style tag, I'm styling image, adding width 300 pixel. Now I'm adding here height 200 pixel. I'm adding height 200 pixel. Now I'm adding here border 3 pixel solid black. Now save and open with live server. Now look carefully. Image size is fixed, but image looks stretched. Why? Because the original image ratio is different and we are forcing it into another size. To fix this problem, CSS gives us one powerful property, object fit. First is fill. I'm adding here object fit fill. Now save this and let's understand. First value is fill. Fill stretch image to fill the box. As you can see, image look distorted. So mostly we avoid this. Now let's add cover. Cover. Save and now see. Cover. Image looks clean and professional. No stretching. Box is completely filled. Sometimes a little part gets cropped, but this is the most used value in real website. Now let's try content. I'm adding here content. Save and see. Here full image is visible, nothing gets cropped, but you may see some empty space. Useful when showing the full image is important. Now try none. Save and see output. This keeps image in original size. Sometimes image may overflow, so not used very often. Last one, scale down. I'm adding here scale down. Save and see. Scale down this smartly checks original size, smaller size, and use whichever fits better. Quick trick remember, fill, stretch, cover, professional, contain full image, none, original size, scale down, smart fit. Real project, this is what developer mostly use. Width is 100%, fixed height, object fit cover. This gives clean and professional UI. So today we learn all values of object fit. Fill, cover, contain, none, scale down. Now Your image will look clean, responsive, and professional on real website. If this helps you, save this video, share it with your coder friends, and subscribe for daily HTML, CSS, and real project tutorial. Until next video, keep coding. Thank you guys.